Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a powerful all-in-one tool that might just replace Loom, Canva, and even Notion for your video workflows. And the best part? It's free to get started. So let's meet Dadan, your new best friend for recording, editing, and sharing videos online. Dadan is an all-in-one online platform that lets you record, edit, host, and share videos right from your browser. It supports screen and webcam recording, along with powerful editing tools like trimming, zoom, annotations, and overlays. You can also add interactive elements like CTAs, polls, and quizzes. Dadan also includes AI-powered features like auto-transcription, meeting summaries, and chapter generation. It's perfect for creators, educators, and remote teams looking for a seamless video workflow. Dadan is available as a browser extension for both Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. You can also download their Windows desktop app, and they will soon be launching the Mac OS version too. Starting with Dadan is simple and free. Just go to their website, click on the sign up button, and register using your email address. No credit card needed. Once your account is set up, install their Chrome extension. Once done, you'll land on this clean and organized dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll find options like starting to record a video, uploading a video, personal library, your video playlists, shared videos, important videos and folders, archive, and meeting recordings. To get started, you can either record a new video or upload an existing one. If you choose to record, go to the Record Your First Video section and pick between Quick or Advanced mode. For video recording, you can choose between Screen and Camera, Screen Only, or Camera Only. Also, you can click the settings icon to configure your microphone and camera. Once ready, click Start Recording and select the window you want to record. If you choose the quick recording, then during the recording, you can change background colors, mute or unmute, pause and resume, and restart or delete the recording. When you're done, click Stop Recording. You'll see your recording immediately, and you can either watch it, download it, or continue editing. If you choose the advanced recording mode, then you unlock powerful tools like using a pen to draw on the screen, typing text live on screen, drawing boxes, circles, and arrows to highlight important sections, adding emojis and adjusting their size, setting timers so those shapes or emojis disappear automatically after a few seconds. Once your recording is complete, you can use AI Assist to extract transcription from the video, generate an engaging title and description, create a video summary, generate keynotes and takeaways, and translate your video transcripts into other languages. You can also access Studio, where you can add text overlays, trim your video, blur parts of the video, zoom in or out on specific areas, and much more. You can also integrate Dadan with MailChimp, HubSpot, and more to add in-video lead generation forms. If you want to manage your account, click your profile icon in the top right corner. You can view basic info or click Account and Preferences for more detailed settings. Now let's talk about pricing. Dadan offers a free plan where you can create up to 25 videos, and each video can be up to 5 minutes long. If you need more videos or longer videos, you can upgrade to Professional Plan, which will cost $11 per month, or Business Plan, which will cost $14 per month. In case if you ever need help, Dadan offers live chat support. Just click the live chat icon from the screen and get connected to their support team instantly. So that's Dadan.io, a powerful, feature-packed, all-in-one platform for creators, teams, and educators. If you've been juggling Loom, Canva, Notion, and editing tools separately, Dadan might be the all-in-one solution you've been waiting for. Check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.